Yeah, let's see. Oh, we have a wait, just be gentle. We have a new guy came in to eat. Hey ducky. Hey ducky. Ow, ow. Well, here, here. Okay, ducky, you gonna come eat? Okay. I don't know, he might be too shy, Andre. Just let him. Yeah, there you go. Come on, ducky. He's gonna eat, I think, by himself. Where's Scarlett, Andre?
Over there.
Okay. Yeah. And we got our friend over here too. Tom. Yeah, everybody's eating. We're almost out of rice, I think, huh?
This is the last.
The last rice?
Last.
Okay. Good job. Good job, Andre. All right. We are going to feed the birdies today. Andre, you want to show me what we're going to feed the birdies? Huh? What is it? What is it? Come, come, show me, show me.
Caca.
Gonna feed them caca? No.
We're feeding them chicken.
No, we're gonna feed them a little bit of eggies and rice. Huh, Scarlett? We're gonna give them rice? Okay, and we got Archer. We got Archer over there. Andre, you wanna bring Archer so we can see him? Scarlett, you wanna bring Archer? Okay. Well, let's see Archer. Wow. What's Archer? Archer is a tortoise. Okay, let's see him. This is our little pet, Archer. Yeah. Oh, you wanna see this? Okay. Whoa. Andre, you wanna go try to see if you can catch one of those? Ooh, you too, Scully. You wanna catch him? Woohoo! Oh, you guys almost made it. You guys almost made
I
it.
stepped on one.
You stepped on one.
And he lost his feathers.
Oh, poor guy. Okay, let's
I got
give him some more rice. Whoa! Go, Scarlett. Good job.
eggies. They like eggs. That's why they call it.
Yeah, they definitely like eggies, guys. Yeah, let me go around. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, Scarlett. Did you catch any of them? Oh, you just got some yuckies. Okay. Hey, give Archer some rice. Is Archer gonna eat some rice, you think? Huh? I don't think he's gonna eat any rice, huh? Is he gonna eat any rice, you think? Yeah, he'll try. Nah, I don't think he likes it. Oh, maybe he does like it. All right, Sky, are you making little laps over there? Whoa!